So we're going to solve application problems using addition, subtraction with decimals. So this first one I'd like to go over with you. You want to buy a new truck for $18,000 after talking to the loan officer at your local credit union to find out that you can get a loan for $13,000. It will cost $345 for the license and $1,350 for taxes. What amount of cash will you need to buy the truck? Okay, so first thing is we need to establish what each part is and how to put it together mathematically. So we have this $18,000 for the vehicle you're wanting to buy. All right. And now you realize you get a loan for $13,000. So I'm going to subtract that because that's the loan that you're going to get to pay towards this $18,000. However, we got to add on the $345 for the fee and the $1,350 for the taxes. All right, so this is the mathematical equation that we need. However, let's do it in parts. Let's take this 18,000 and let's add on the 345, the 1,350. So we add these together. So 5 plus 0, 4 plus 5, 3 plus 3, 8 plus 1, and then bring down the 1. So $19,695 is how much it's going to cost you. However, you get a loan for $13,000. So let's subtract it. 5 minus 0, 9 minus 0, 6 minus 0, 9 minus 3 is 6. So the cash you will need, the difference will be $6,695. Okay. Not a bad price for a vehicle. Of course, if you get a loan, you got to pay the loan back, right? So let's do this one. It says find the perimeter of a triangle. A perimeter is the outside edges of stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to add them all together. And when you add them all together, you'll know the perimeter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 15.3, the 21.4, and the 10.9. And let's add them together. So I got 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 9 is 16. Carry the 1, bring the decimal down. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is 7. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So my perimeter is 47.6 centimeters. All right, let's move on to the next application problem. A dietitian calculates the sodium in a patient's breakfast. So we got Raisin Bran cereal, 0.2 grams. 1 cup of 2% milk is 0.125 grams. 6 ounce orange juice is 0.004 grams. 1 corn muffin is 0.35 grams. And butter, 0.121 gram. How many grams of sodium does the patient consume? So we're just going to add them all up. So if it would help you, just highlight everything we're going to add up together. And since they all have gram as their unit conversion, then we can add them together. Because remember, adding and subtraction, they have to be like terms. So I got 0.2, 0.125. Whenever you add or subtract decimals, you should always line up the decimal. Okay. All right. And what I'm going to do just for myself, I'm going to put zeros in the missing places. That way I make sure that I line it up good. So now I got 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Bring the 1 to the top. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 here makes 5 plus 5 makes 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Bring down the decimal and bring down this. So they're going to consume 0.8 grams. Let's do one more. All right. This one here says, suppose Dave's checking account shows a balance of $910.25 at the beginning of the month. So starting out with $900 for the month, that's a good start. So during the month, he makes deposits. He deposits $300, $335.40, $187.50, $450.15. Let's add this up. So you got 5 plus 0 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. We've got 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13, carry the 1, bring the decimal down. We have 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 7 is 13, carry the 1 to the top. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5, 10, 18, carry the 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 4 is 21. So he has, and if you want to double check, it doesn't hurt to double check your math. Sometimes we don't carry a number over, or just a simple human error, it happens. So I'm just double checking my math. It's always good to know how to do it without the calculator. Just the calculator to check your work. We're good. All right, now has 21, or excuse me, I want to say 2183, but it's $2,183.30. And then he writes checks for, so he goes pays bills, $150.03, $289.25, $225.89, $237.60. And I say he writes bills. It could be groceries. Who knows? He ends up paying. So I got the 2183.30 minus the 150.03 minus 289.25 minus 225.89 minus the 237.60. So leaves an ending balance for the month of $1,280.53. Thank y'all.